What's up? It's Buddha Man 2000 and J motherfucking Bird.
What the fuck? Smack your face, bitch.
Tickle it.
I think that your downstairs needs a little poke in the doke.
Speak up, I couldn't hear you.
I think your downstairs needs a little poke in the doke.
So if your downstairs needs a poke, call Jeremy at 236-299999.
No.
Nah, for real, that's not our number.
I don't know what. I know your number is. I know what your number is. Well, throw your shit in the floor, nigga.
I did.
Hey, check this out. Ladies and gentlemen, come and see the man eating chicken.
Hold that. I gotta get my food.
He'll be back in one momento. No worries. What are you doing?
You know what I'm eating? I'm eating the Carl Jr.'s I am eating Carl Jr.'s Portobello mushroom burger. Ah, there it is on.
Damn, let me get some of that, nigga.
Yeah, I'll get you some, dude. Chill. Let me eat mine first. Dehydrate off food.
Seriously, like, no, not off the food. I feel like I'm dehydrated off
If anyone can hear us out there on YouTube, sorry that we're not like so talkative, but we're starting to come down off our fucking drunkenness. I'm eating Carl Jr.'s Portobello mushroom burger. I know that ain't right. It's Portobello mushroom burger.
Chica wow wow.
Chicka bow wow. Also subscribe to this station or this channel if you get to see this, because we might be doing a lot of stuff on this channel, because I can't remember mine. I might if I'm not drunk, but I'm too fucking drunk. Okay, for the YouTubers, I got a question for you. If you eat pussy, how do you eat it? With ketchup? No, I'm joking.
No. What's the pussy look like before you have sex? What's the pussy look like before you have sex? A pretty rose with nice little rose petals. What's the pussy look like after you have sex? An English bulldog eating a pack of mayonnaise.
English bulldog eating a pack of mayonnaise. That's an ugly ass sight right there. Me and the Jaybird is gonna be pretty much up all night, waiting on my cousin to get here, drinking brewskis, rooting for the New York Jets. Nah, I'm joking.
The Jets, the goddamn Jets.
Fuck the Jets. The Panthers rule, Dave the Usher. Suck my dick. Notre Dame can eat a fucking dick.
Notre Dame is the shit, dude.
Notre Dame sucks.
I don't like the Jets and Notre Dame is the shit. And Panthers are fucking the shit, dude, because it's Carolina Panthers. But you know what? I like the Patriots, too. But, you know what?
I really hope Dave the Usher watches this, because I mean, honestly, I'm a fan of Dave the Usher.
No. Listen. dude. Listen, man. Listen. If anybody wants to go for any motherfucking thing in their motherfucking life, dude, y'all listen to what the fuck I'm saying out there right now. You hear me? Okay? This is all fucking Green Bay Packers, Lambeau Field, baby. Cheeseheads, holla at your motherfucking boy. I'm a fucking cheesehead for life, nigga. What?
I'm an edgehead, not a cheesehead.
Yo, I'm a fucking cheesehead, holla.
Can't wait for Edge's triumphant return on Raw.
No, you talking about wrestling?
You damn stupid.
It's all fake.
Yeah, I know that, but it's a soap opera for dudes, man.
It's a soap opera for dudes. Yeah, you're right. Exactly. It's all fake. Let me go fuck a lighter. But you know what? That's a soap that I'm gonna get into. I like to watch General Hospital or All My Children.
Here's a lighter, dude, if you need it.
That's the soap opera shit I want to watch. The real shit.
Not me, man. I hate soap operas.
I hate everything. Look at you. You're only goddamn computer fucking drilling out. In fact, we're making out with the fucking balls here. Wowie wowie.
Oh man, that was so good.
Tastes like fried-eyed chicken heads.
Hell no, it tastes like heaven. Oh damn.
What does it taste like? Nigger fried chicken pussy.
Okay.
Nigger fried chicken pussy. Is that what it tastes like?
It tastes, I don't know, I guess. Okay. Anyways, like I was saying about Dave the Usher. If you want to have a debate about who's the best football team, let's have a debate.
Alright, that's what's up, dude.
Because if you think that fucking Notre Dame or your Jets could fuck with the Green Bay Packers or with Duke University or Asheville, you are full of shit. I'm telling you the truth. You are full of shit. Now, I know you like all that, but I'm sorry. I would rather watch a cat puke up a hairball than fucking watch anything from Notre Dame. I mean, every time I hear Notre Dame, I think, goddamn. I think,
yeah, I think I'm throwing up.
Exactly. I think I'm throwing up.
Every time I hear anything from Notre Dame, I feel like throwing up, man. And the only thing that you want to fucking come across this fucking field with is anything but spectacular, and that's only fucking Duke University, baby. Always
Duke rocks.
Forever. Yeah.
Yeah, so what? We had some allegations, but guess what? They weren't true.
Right.
And if you think they were true, then obviously you're just a hater.
Yeah.
You can't understand that. It doesn't matter whether it's lacrosse, whether it's football, whether it's fucking basketball, whether it's soccer.
Yeah, hey,
we will whoop your... Oh, shit. We will whoop your motherfucking ass.
Right there, dude, because fuck all that bullshit that happened with the fucking lacrosse team, dude. Fuck all that motherfuckers, dude. They think they got shit on us. Motherfuckers ain't got shit on the motherfucking Duke team, dude, because I'm telling you, dude, they will come and they will rip fucking heads off. We will rip heads off every fucking time we come into fucking town, dude.
This is the college to be.
North Carolina, nigga. 919. You better motherfucking know who
828.
fucking with, nigga.
It's 828.
I was born in 919. Where the fuck? I was born 2 miles from Durham, fucking Raleigh, dude.
Man, I was born 828 Asheville, North Carolina. 828-236-2047. Let me hear you call me 24/7, 24/7. That is actually my number, so please don't just like hassle me, because I got a lot of people.
Please believe it, ladies. Please believe it, ladies.
If you do call and ask for Patrick
Calling all night, all day.
Anyways, we gotta go, so we're gonna wrap this up, shit. It's good talking to you. This is our last YouTube video. What you got to say, homie?
I got to say nothing. Fuck all of y'all motherfuckers. I ain't racist. I hate everybody.
Well, he hates everybody, so do I. Peace.